Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah highlights AVGC XR sector growth and ethical AI at 7 GAFX Summit. In Bengaluru, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister Shivakumar inaugurated the 7th Bengaluru GAFX Games, Animation and Visual Effects Conference Summit themed Evolution Reloaded, focusing on the animation, visual effects, gaming, comics and extended reality sector. Siddaramaiah stressed that AI should not enhance human creativity, not replace artists, highlighting ethical use, intellectual property protection, data privacy and fair compensation. He said the sector could generate 20 lakh jobs in Karnataka over the next 5 years, covering design, coding, storytelling, music, motion capture, AI modeling and production management. The Chief Minister Siddaramaiah emphasized Karnataka's long-standing commitment to the sector, calling it a global frontier shaping stories, culture, education and governance. He announced the promotion of digital creative clusters beyond Bengaluru in Mysuru, Mangaluru, Hubballi, Dharwad, Kalaburagi, aiming to nurture talent from every district. Outlining 5 strategic priorities, Siddaramaiah highlighted talent development, infrastructure, startup support, district-level expansion, the global partnerships, positioning Karnataka as not only India's Silicon Valley but also the creative capital of the digital world.